This is a Fecon Mulcher display, which is part of a large land clearing and vegetation management and forestry mulcher piece of equipment. The display shown in the video is a unit we received for repair from a local equipment dealer. It arrived completely dead, and after repairing the bad circuits and cleaning it up, it fully booted up as shown in the video. The scope shown in the video is showing the communication bus and the activity it has as it looks for the rest of the equipment used with the display. ERD simulated many of the pieces of equipment we repair for full tests. At ERD, we preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.